kami dito ni Ate Bea kasi naghahanap kami ng gifts for the friendships. And hindi ko alam kung nandito na siya. Let us see if she's here. Sabi sa may Forever 21. Huwag lang siyang aalis dito eh. Yung babaeng yun. Wala man siya. Girl. Hindi kita nakilala. Bakit? Nakatalikod ka. Sabi ko, sino to?
Kasi,
Yung buhok mo. Iba yung kulay.
oo.
Miss mo ako? Lu. Dapat na-miss mo ako.
Tayo pupunta.
Ewan ko sa'yo, ano bang naiisip mo? Ah, oo, yun din naisip ko eh. Kasi doon ako bibili ng kay Alibang.
Sabi ko mag-init, mag-anak tayo.
Ah, kila ano, Ate Tin. Sa may pen shop dito. Tay, hindi ka ba din nag-ano?
Daw pupunta din ang daming tao.
Eh, saan ka pupunta?
SMEs, Tortilla.
Okay. Let's find it first.
Tapos pumunta kami dito ni Kat dati. Kasi
Mm.
mag-skip kami kasi may
Ang daming tao. Ang daming ng tao dito.
daming po.
Let's find the pen shop.
Ano to SM?
San Francisco.
Akala ko city. Sorry. Oo, tapos ito NY.
Naka-Shopee mo ah. Oo nga. Ay, parang mas gusto ko itong NY. Let's make bayad na this one. Maganda kayo lalagyan nila.
It's only 169.
Only?
Ang mura eh.
Kung RK na to talaga.
Don't make me question my decisions.
Cash payment din. Gusto niyo gift bag na 59 lang.
Ah, sige po. Ano yung papag-gift bag na rin?
Kala ko papag-giftbag ko pa eh. Gift to myself ka. Thank you! Blue Magic.
Ako may naabot mo sa akin.
Okay ba? Regalo mo oh. What? Maganda. Maganda yung blue. Pero actually, maganda rin to. Pero maganda yan.
Mas maraming babagayan ata. Pero
Regalo ko kay... Kaso kasi nawala niya kasi yung ganito niya sa bahay namin. Baka mamaya maalala niya pag narigaluhan niya siya.
at least may kapalit na pag naalala yan. Nakasunod ba to sa'yo? Hindi.
Hindi ko alam kung nakala.
Aray!
Parang wala sila dito ng ano. Ay, ito. So we are here at Pepper Lunch. And dahil nagutom, 5:30 pa lang pero gutom na kami. So, dito na kami dumaan kasi ito yung date niya today. Hindi ko naman nabibilin lahat ng mga kailangan kong bilhin. Gusto kong kasama yung nanay ko sa ibang gifts na I need to buy. So, yayain ko ang aking mom.
Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby, and have yourself a ball.
Diba? The smell.
Ayun, mozzarella sa baba. Parmesan, hindi. Pero shredded na yan. M-board.
Paprayan. Ba't ka pumunta dito? Bulusot ka pa, ah. Ito na lang, oh. Ito. Hindi. Ba, huwag ka naman gumalaw ganito.
Kasi yan yung ulam namin eh.
Ngayon,
Nung isang araw.
dami ah. Wait lang, ano? Sili.
Hindi naman kami sa department store. Ganda talaga. Ang ganda na hair mo. Ba't ko?
Wala yung ano.
Na-color. Na-color. Let's go. Ang daming tao. Grabe.
Big world there, getting ready to play. Kissing under the mistletoe and rocking the night away. So let's dance, baby.
The makeup is giving. Talaga. Super. Love it.
Glow in the winter night. Families' laughter fills the air. Hearts are warm, love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love. Thank the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell
Kasi,
Alam ko, nakabukas to eh.
ba't ganun yung buho ko hindi yan?
Digit na.
Hindi, hindi pantay. Parang nakataas dito, tapos dito naka-block.
Tapos natin kung okay na yun.
Paano? Hindi sa support.
Kasi di tayo sure eh. Yung ano mo, yung parang
Kitang mo wala.
chrome.
Sa crib.
Itong ano mo eh. Lola ka?
Wala naman.
Baka okay na to. For any, speak to the service ka.
Baka pupunta doon, di ba?
Kaya nga mag-a-accelerate eh. Chicken naman sa ano. Excuse me po. Mag-place po ng order pag...
Okay na po yun.
Oo, tapos after na namin mag-isa kakabili.
Hindi po, hihindi na lang po yung binili lang. Kaya sila
Eh, natalik.
for chatting.
Nakakaiya talaga.
Kaya sabi ko, ayun na ba yun?
Sorry pa, hindi pa kami techie. So sorry.
So,
So this is what I got. This is the iced chocolate. Iced chocolate. Sa'yo is
horchata, latte.
horchata latte. hirap dito sa Mega Mall. Ang hirap mag-book. Nakabook ka na, Mi?
Dalawang beses lang.
So sad. Sabihin mo kay si Kuya ba yung nagbo-book?
Oo.
Sabihin mo ano, please don't cancel. Lubat na ako. Hindi tayo pwedeng mag-19. Battery life ko. Ang hirap mabuhay sa iPhone.
Love is everywhere. It's the time of beginning now.
So, happy December 2nd of Vlogmas. I'm with Mother. Hello. And the Ziki Boy. Kasi punta kami ng SM at ipapag-groom namin siya. So, hindi na ako nag-vlog ng ng work kasi same lang naman yan from the previous weeks. So, yun lang. So, punta lang kami ng Pet Express para ipag-groom siya kasi sobrang haba na ng hair. And since nandun na rin naman kami habang nag-aantay, bibili na rin ako ng mga kailangan ko na pangregalo. So, here. Ciao. Parang magkakamukha silang tatlo. Parang magkakamukha silang tatlo. Where are you? We're going upstairs. Upstairs. Let's see kung ano meron sila dito. Ganyan. Ano size niya? Ang large yun. Iba lang yung color. Ayun, lalaki. Thank you.
Thank you po. Pamagin po.
Babalikan na natin si Ziki B. Sana tapos na siya. Pero kami hindi pa tapos. Kaya mag-iikot pa kami para di naman siya sad. Tapos na kaya siya? Ayun siya.
Ano pala? Kung pakita, hindi ako mapagka. Siguro sabon lang, prevent lang yun.
Card po.
Card po. SM Advantage card po.
Wala po.
Hindi. Di ba
Ay, lalakad-lakad na si Ziki.
Kaya mo kaya tayo sa baba. Hindi pa siya tapos.
Oh, pouch sim. Gusto mo?
Hindi pa siya tapos. Balik tayo ulit.
Hindi kasi nilalakad-lakad mo nga siya. Mag-ante ka lang ng onsi.
Di ba nga nagugupitan yung mukha niya.
Nagupitan na. I-frame na lang yung dun sa may ulo. Yung dito niya, tsaka dito. Ganda kong matinang.
Siki!
Gapo.
Hi, baby! Apapi! 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 Hi!
Ang buhok ko.
Wow, so guwapo ng baby. Kabang tuloy mo naman yung kabang nila.
Wait lang.
Ay!
Pasaway ka nilaglag mo.
Sorry. Sorry, bebe. Wait lang, patingin lang ako. Kiki! May cookie ka?
Ano na nasa bibig mo?
Cookies! He's so cute. So happy 3rd of December. It is the 3rd day of Christmas month. Wow, Christmas month. So, wala akong masyadong vlog today, lalo na sa work, kasi I feel like masyado nang maraming clips regarding work and my workload and the office from my previous vlog. So I decided that this week, medyo i-minimize lang natin yung ating mga work vlog dahil I feel like it's going to be repetitive. Pero ngayon, I really want to share something that is a very good news for me. And hindi ko siya sinishare kasi I want to brag about it or anything negative. Gusto ko lang siyang i-document as part of my life. And actually, the very main reason din naman kasi kaya ako nag-start mag-vlog. Kasi ano naman talaga ako nagre-react na ako sa mga P-pop groups, sa mga performances, music videos, and trying to promote P-pop and all that. Yun talaga yung main focus ng aking channel. But I decided to vlog because I enjoy it very much. I enjoy watching it from other people. I love watching Vlogmas kahit hindi naman Christmas time or like summer pero nanonood akong Vlogmas. Parang it's just very calming and it's very warm. So ayun, parang gusto ko rin na meron akong videos na mababalikan ko in the coming years or something ganon. I want to relive the same happiness that I had those days or like gusto kong ma-relive yung mga moments na yon. Basta ganun, parang nakakamiss, ganun. So parang gusto kong gumawa ng sarili kong vlog and to share my life to you guys and to of course to me para mabalikan ko yung mga previous days, ganon. So ayun, I just want to document this because this is a really good news for me. So this is what I got. Actually, nalaman ko na to nung Christmas party namin last week. Pero sobrang daming ginawa at medyo busy ang girly nyo. Hindi ako masyadong nakapag-chika kung anong meron. So this is it. I-blur ko na lang yung full name ko. But it's my regularization form. And if you guys don't know, I just transferred to this company and I left my previous company this year lang din. So mga May ganyan. And I actually started searching for a new job last year pa, pero na-stall lang siya kasi mahirap talaga makahanap ng job that fits my preferences. So, ang preferences ko kasi is international company and then syempre mataas yung sweldo and then hybrid or work from home. So, finifilter ko siya sa JobStreet and LinkedIn and it's so hard to hear anything back from all the jobs that I was applying for. And finally, nag-reach out itong company, which is my current company, after I submitted my application to them. And to be honest, this company, let's call it Company Z, is really not my choice. I applied kasi if ever na i-reach out ako, I'll have a training ground for interviews and what to expect in the international interviews for this kind of companies. Lalo na din kasi walang salary na nakaspecify for this job posting. So, sabi ko, let me just give it a shot kahit parang suntok sa buwan siya kasi hindi ko nga alam kung magkano yung i-offer nila. Para lang just for training purposes, you know. Then after I got an initial interview for Company Z, I heard back from my dream company, which is Company A. So, ano sila? Outsourcing company. And if ever, I'll be working with an Australian, American, or Singaporean company. So, I was excited for that. So, I thought, tama, magpa-practice ako sa Company Z for the interview so I could shake the nerves off sa interviews ko for Company A. So, fast forward, sabayang Company Z at A for my initial interviews, days lang atang difference. So, I had my initial interview for Company Z and I remember that I was interviewed online and I actually answered the call sa hospital kasi na-hospital yung mom ko nung time na yon. And girl, naala ko din after I finished my interview, a nurse came in and congratulated me. Pero sabi ko, hindi pa po ako natatanggap. In initial interview pa lang po siya. Pero sabi niya, kahit na congratulations pa din. And I was so flattered kasi nakikinig pala siya the entire time. So, ayun nga, interview. So then, during those times, ini-interview na din ako ng Company A. At first, akala ko, hindi ako makakapasa sa initial interview because I was so distracted that time. Nagpa-interview ako online and nasa Starbucks ako noon, tapos dumaan friends ko. Kaya parang, alam mo yun, na-distract ako, tapos nautal ako, ganyan, nawala ako sa focus. So I really thought na tapos na, hindi na ako makakapasok. But days after, I was accepted and my next interview would be a client interview na. And they already gave me an estimate kung magkano ang offer. And during these times, malapit na ako matapos sa interview ko with Company Z. Yung inantay ko na lang na interview with Company Z is with a director from the US. And yung doon din pala sa offer ng Company A is pasok naman siya sa preferences ko. So, I was so happy about that. Pero sa Company Z, hindi ko pa alam kung magkano yung ino-offer nila. Kasi nga wala dun sa job posting. So, sabi ko, tapusin ko na lang yung interview ko with Company Z and see how much they'll offer me. Fast forward again, and binigyan na ako ng JO ng Company Z. Natapos ko na yung interview with our director from the US. And she was really happy with me. So, alam ko na rin agad after nung interview na yun, napasok ako. Kasi sinabi niya na sa akin na after our call, I'm going to forward na this kay dun sa boss ko. Current boss ko ngayon, na gustong-gusto niya daw talaga ako. So, I already knew na pasok na talaga ako. So, job offer na lang yung nung time na yon. So, yun nga, binigyan ako ng JO and I was surprised kasi halos same offer with Company A. Hindi ko talaga ina-expect kasi ang ina-expect ko medyo mababa siya kaysa sa Company A kasi ewan ko, parang yun yung nasa isip ko kasi bakit kung ganun lang din naman kalaki katulad na sa Company A, di ba dapat pinopost na rin nila doon sa job posting. So yun yung nasa isip ko. Pero girl, nagulat talaga ako na halos same siya ng offer with Company A. Mas mataas lang ng onti yung kay Company A, ng very slight. So nung time na yun, I was so torn. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung pipiliin ko. Kasi Company A is my dream company, but wala pa ding assurance if everything will push through. Kasi nga may client interviews pa ako. Well, sa Company Z, may JO na and sure na napasok na ako for the job. I remember na ini-install ko talaga yung pag-accept ng JO sa Company Z kasi I was waiting for Company A. But I guess Company A is really not for me kasi humingi ako ng sign from God. Sabi ko, if by this day, hindi pa rin ako ma-interview, I will not push through with Company A na and I will go with Company Z. And well, the sign and the deadline came, hindi talaga siya nagtutugma. So, yung sked ko and yung sked decline, hindi talaga siya nagtutugma. And if ever, I'll be interviewed after 2 weeks pa for Company A. So, during this time, I don't have the option to risk kasi I really needed a good paying job na. And kasi nga ito yung time na may sakit nga yung mom ko. So, I really need the money. And if I let Company Z pass, I don't know if I'll get the same salary or if I'll pass Company's A interview or if I will start from the scratch again. So, I don't have the guts to risk all that. And since God already gave me a sign to go with Company Z, I finally accepted it, and fast forward to now, I am now here at Company Z, a regular employee, and I have so much time for myself and my family because of their wonderful work-life culture. And I guess this is really what I prayed for, na kahit hindi ako natuloy sa Company A, God redirected me to the path that He wants me to go to. I am in a company where I am learning so much about myself, and I get to take a break from the toxic environment. I guess it was never a failure from Company A, but a redirection to God's plan. And sobrang galing lang kasi alam ni God na I needed a work na hindi toxic and where I could spend more time with myself, my family, and of course with Him, with God. And I'm thankful. Company Z may not be my dream company, but it is the job that I have been dreaming of. So, yeah! So good morning you guys, and I don't think I'm going to film the rest of the day today, so I just decided to show you guys my morning routine, which involves makeup and how I do my makeup for work. So yun lang gagawin natin for today dahil ayoko na paulit-ulit na like work vlog and what I'm doing, ganon. So I'm just going to show you guys my morning routine. So let's go. So I start off my makeup using a sunblock, a sunscreen. Medyo madumi siya pero malinis naman yan, girl. Yung packaging lang. So I'm using the Centella one. This is Airfit Sunscreen Light. And before, I don't really like putting on sunscreen kasi I feel like na parang nagiging cakey yung makeup. But sunscreen is very important to you, so you should use it in your everyday life, not only kapag nag-makeup ka. It's your protection against the sun. So, ayan, I've already applied my sunscreen. And, usually, nare-realize ko na kapag hindi ko pinapatuloy yung skincare ko, bago ako mag-apply ng foundation. Hindi siya naging cakey. Hindi yun dahil sa mismong sunscreen. So, I'm just going to wait like a good minute or probably 3 minutes bago ako maglagay ng foundation para ma-absorb ng skin ko yung sunscreen and para hindi siya mag-cake with my foundation. So, now for the foundation, I'm going to use the GRWM foundation. So, I'm in the shade Walnut. So, for this, I only use 1 pump. Okay, so after foundation, I use concealer. So, yung concealer ko na ginagamit is yung Superstay. But I'm planning to get the GRWM one. I'm just going to put that under my eyes. Just a little bit. Not too crazy. So, overall, that is my base. Medyo mukha siyang maputi, no? Pero kapag in the long run, nag-oxidize kasi sa akin yung foundation. So, mamaya magmamatch na siya. We're done with our base. So, I'm just going to do my eyebrows. And usually, hindi talaga ako nag-eyebrows. Pero parang recently, napapansin ko, parang mas put together tignan yung makeup kapag merong eyebrows. So, I'm just going to do that. And I don't really like very draw it. Parang hindi ko masyadong fill in. And then, using the same concealer, I'm just going to carve out my brows. So after that, I'm just going to set my face using the Maybelline pressed powder. Western sky. Somebody told me. So, ayan. It's coming together. Very simple. And then, ano na lang. Siguro mga 3 steps. Tapusin muna natin yung ating brows. So, I'm just going to set that with the Tattoo Brow from Maybelline. It just makes my brows look fuller and more put together. Recently ko lang ito ginagawa, but... And next, one thing that I really do, even though everyday makeup lang, is I do nose line. Because my nose is cute, but she needs some work. But hindi naman ako masyadong galit sa ilong ko. I think she's cute, but kailangan natin ng ating definition. See the difference from here to here? She's cute. And then, blush na lang at saka lipstick. So, this is the blush that I use. This is the Maybelline Fit Me one. In the shade Fierce. But, honestly, hindi ko masyadong bet yung color nito. Pero binili ko siya, kaya dapat panindigan ko siya. So, mas gusto ko yung medyo darker. Masyadong white, masyadong pink to. Masyadong light for my liking. So, also in the nose, a little bit on the cheeks. May filter pala to. Teka nga, bawasan natin yung filter na yan. Oh my gosh, wait. So, ayan, tinanggal ko na yung filter. May filter pala yun. Kaya nag-ano yung aking blush at saka yung aking lips. Lips lang naman at saka ano. So, more blush. Kasi hindi siya kita sa kanya. So, pagdating sa lips, I use 3 different products. And these are that. I use these 3. And ito, paubos na siya. This is the NYX Lingerie in the shade Lipply. And I use this to line my lips. And when I line it, I blur it out. mangga. And then, I use the lip stain para ilagay dun sa innermost part ng aking lips. Paubos na rin to, my gosh. Dazzle nito na ano, na touchdown ang shade. Just to give it definition. Because this is a gloss. Hindi talaga ako nag-gloss, but recently, I came to love it. So this is the Inglot Matte and Glow Up Tint. So I'm using the Sleek's Cream Lip Paint, which is in the shade Rouge. So yan, this is a gloss. I'm just going to put that on my lips. Parang mas na-refresh ako kapag glossy yung lips instead of matte. Kasi very matte na yung ating face. So we need something else. So that is basically it. Let's put on my glasses kasi hindi ko kayo makita. So that's basically it. Yan lang talaga yung nilalagay ko sa makeup ko. I don't really put on like mascara, eyeshadow, or eyeliner. I did before. Nung nanood pa ako sa previous work ko, talagang lagi ako naka-eyeliner. It's always on fully. Pero ngayon, more on simple tayo. Not because I don't like it anymore. It's just like I feel, pag everyday akong naka-wing and naka-mascara and then tatanggalin, i-rub, I feel like it's going to give me wrinkles in the long run. Which is, pinaprevent natin siya na mangyari ng mas maaga. So, we're going to preserve the eyes. So, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang yung ating bet. Medyo basa-basa pa yung hair ko. Actually, baka naman maliit na ako ng pecha na. Hindi naman ako makapag-book ng angkas. Ayan. I'm not going to vlog today. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So, ciao. Peace out. Bye. Good morning. So, we are going to make breakfast today. Yun na lang ang content ko today. Dahil ayoko nang paulit-ulit na content. So, we're just going to do hot cake. Ito ating gagawin. The original hot cake mix. Yan.
Pansit lang.
And, gagawin natin ka ng pansit. So, when we're doing this hot cake, sinusunod ko lang yung instruction dito. Ayan. Kung ano yung nakalagay dito, yun lang din yung ginagawa ko. Okay? 1 egg. 2 tablespoons of oil. Wala tayo ng measuring na tablespoon, kaya eto na. Let's just wing it. Makaingay ng mga ano dito. 1, 2. Half cup water. More meat.
Walang ganong mantika.
Mga ating pansit. More halo. Parang sunog naman, Marg.
Okay lang yan kasi walang ganong mantika dahil bawal ang mantika.
Bawal. Bawal. Anong klaseng pansit yan, ma?
Bihon.
Bihon.
Sitang bihon.
Sarap.
Masarap ako nagluto eh.
Ding.
Ay, umiiyak na si Siki.
Oh, umiiyak. Hindi naman yung iiyak.
Naririnig ko may ano. Gumaganon siya.
Iiyak pala yung anak mo.
Narinig mo din, Day?
Kaya na pa yan
Ay, kumakaon na nga eh.
Umiiyak ka daw, be. Pakita ka muna sa vlog. Hi, vlog!
Good morning, Siki boy! Morning! Kiss, 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 kiss! Ay, ay, ay! Good morning!
Ano na? Mama, pansinin mo daw kasi siya. Ito naman.
Ito ba? Good morning! Good morning! Hi! Good morning, baby! Ah,
Ba't naman kasi tumatakbo pa? Siki. Beng!
sunog!
Nagutom na nga ako eh.
Hi! Ano ba? Magluluto ako ng ano?
Nang?
Sinapa? Kakain ka ba ng kanin?
Hindi. Huwag na. Tayo today.
Diet!
Sure. Wow, so sarap naman yan. Boosh, boosh. Ganon. Ang hina pala kasi ng ating ano. Medyo lakas na lang. Ay, bakit may ganyan, ma?
Ano ba yun?
Ano ba, nagigisa ba ako? Tignan mo yung isa, mapampam. Tignan mo. Sabi niya, hindi ba tayo maglalakad?
Oo.
Ay, mas perfect yung isa. Yun yung pagkakaluto. Yung dalaga. Yun na ang ating pansit by the mother. Boosh, boosh, boosh.
Hitoribo